As far as size of India is concerned, you know, of total geographical land which is available for the entire earth or for the entire world, India covers just 3.28 million square kilometer land or geographical area. Total geographical area is this 3.28 million square kilometer, right? While this 3.28 million square is just about 2.4% of the world. This area, what India is covering, it is about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Now the question is, how many countries are larger than India? So these are the 6 countries. Now what are those? You must know the name of these countries also, because while you are preparing for JSTSE or NTSE in the class 10th, then any question can be set, any question can come in the exam. So for this point of view also, this chapter is very, very important for you to prepare. So here I am giving you those 6 countries which are larger than India as far as geographical area of these countries are concerned. If you look at the NCERT book, you might come across the bar graph which is given for the countries which are larger than India, including India, and the area which they cover. So here I am just giving you the names. What are these? R U C U C B A and I. This is the formula, this is the mnemonic through which you can learn or you can memorize or you can recall the countries larger than India. What is this? Rukubai. C is silent, this second C is silent here. Rukubai, you can call it Rukubai, right? So RU stands for Russia. This RU stands for Russia, and this C stands for Canada. This U stands for USA. This C stands for China, and this B stands for Brazil, and this A stands for Australia, or I should say and this I stand for, of course, India. So these are the 7 countries which are the largest one in the world. So for this point of view, when we compare India's geographical land with other countries, we find that India is the 7th largest country in the world as far as its geographical area is concerned. And which is the largest one? Russia, having more than 17 million square kilometer area with it. Russia is the first largest country in the world, and India is the 7th largest country in the world with 3.28 million square kilometer area. While Canada is at 2nd place, then USA is at the 3rd place, and then 4th place is of China, 5th place is of Brazil, and 6th place is the Australia. And Australia is the only country and continent as well which is included in this list of the largest country. Rest other are the countries. Australia is a country as well as a continent. Is that clear? For this is also just to update your GK, that Australia, is the only country and the only continent which is among the list of 7th largest country. So, what you have got, that India is the 7th largest country in the world. Now, if as far as the size of India is concerned, if you look at the total boundary of India, then it is 15,200 kilometer. Total land boundary of India is, total land boundary including the two group of islands, we have 15,200 kilometer, the total land boundary of India. Length of land boundary of India. Right? Of this, 7,516.6 kilometer is the coastline of India, or the total length of the coastline of India. This is the coastline of India, right? This is the coastline including the two island groups that we have. I have already told you, here we have Lakshadweep Islands, and here we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So including these two island groups of India, we have total coastline of 7,516.6 kilometer. So this is what India's length of its coastline. And India is the only country in the world whose coastline is largest. No other country enjoy this eminent position, having such a large coastline, that larger than India, no country is having, right? In the north, if we look at, India is surrounded, its mountains, and from this part of India, or here we have folded mountain. India is bounded by folded mountain in the north, folded mountain in the north, and northeastern part of the country known as Purvanchal and all. You would be studying in the next chapter, that is physiographical divisions of India, right? So here, other than this, in the northwestern part of India, we have desert, that is Marusthali land, Thar desert of India, and here we have Purvanchal, the easternmost extension of the Himalayas, and here we have three sites are bounded by or surrounded by water bodies. You have already gone through Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. If we look at India's position in the world, now this is the now India and the world. What we find here, because of the I have already told you that India is having its eminent position in the Asia continent, south central part of the Asian continent. India is having the strategic position, and because of this eminent position, it justify the name of Indian Ocean after it. Because of this or these water bodies, India is having its relations with European countries in the westernmost part, and in the African countries, and also in the Southeast Asian countries, right? India is having trade relations with all these countries, and so right from the ancient times, that was the time of the Mahabharata times or the Ramayana times, that India is having the trade relations, and most of the trade items were the precious items like jewelries or muslin or the silk items, following the trade, the silk routes. We were having these relations since so many years in the past and today also. However, the one benefit which India has got because of its position is that after opening of the Suez Canal, which canal? Suez Canal, that is this Suez Canal was opened in 1869, and it has reduced a distance of about 7,000 kilometers between India and Europe. This is the distance which has been reduced because of opening of this Suez Canal, which joins which two seas? That is Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. These are the two seas which are joined by Suez Canal. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea are joined by Suez Canal, and because of this, the distance of about 7,000 kilometers has been reduced between India and Europe. Otherwise, India has to cross the entire Africa continent before it reaches to the European countries or the Western European countries or American countries, right? But now it has reduced, and so India's ties with other countries has become more stronger after this canal has been opened. So this is what all about India's and the world. Now we would discuss about India and its neighbors. India and its neighbors or neighboring countries. If you look at this map of India, what you find here, what you find that India is having many important neighboring countries. See here, this is Nepal, this is Bhutan. So I would be showing you clearly.